that's the book you got, but you did not begin. Okay. Om Ajnana Timirandasya Gyananjana Salakaya Chakshurmitam Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Gurave Gaura Chandraya Radhika Vaitadalai Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namo Mahavadannaya Krishna Prema Pradayate Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya Namne Gauratisena He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopisa Gopika Kanto Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchan Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrisavanu Sute Devi Pranamam Hari Priya Om Vrindavai Tulasi Devai Priya Vai Kesavasya Cha Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Sattvattari Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Sri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Sri Gaura Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavan Goswami Maharaj and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satman Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam Advocacy of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satsrimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Govinda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas. You continue. We also discuss this Bhajan Rastra composed by Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. And we also discuss 8th Jam Sadhan, Ashtam Jam Sadhan, Sambhog Mahila, how Radha Krishna, they are meeting together and also realises highest love of prema. That is called Ratrikalin Lila, night time pastimes, Prem Bhajan Sangha. Then we Bhaktivinoda Thakur very nicely and scientific way explain. When sadhak develop his bhajan and sadhana and some his greed coming in his heart, how to attain the highest prem of Divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Prema Prapti. The Krishna Samandha and Prem Prayojan. How to make relationship with Krishna and how to attain Prayojan. Prayojan means? Goal to Krishna Prema. So, in this Bhajan Rasa Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained two types of sadhaka. One is called Jatorati sadhak, another is called Ajatorati sadhak. Ajata means Ajatorati Samudhi sadhak, apart from bhajan and sadhan, but still roti, deep attachment towards Krishna, yet not manifest. For this regard, this type of sadhak is called Ajata Rati sadhak. Ajatarati sadhak, that means ones who perform bhajan and sadhan and free from all kinds of anartha, anartha nivritti, then he also attained bhav or rati. That means his heart is neat and clean, free from all kinds of anarthas. शुद्ध सत्व विशेषात्मा प्रेम सुजंग स्वभाग रुचि रुचि विचित्त स्मर्शन कृदोषु भाव उच्यते. Srila Arupa Goswami Pad Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, he gives this definition about bhav or rati. When sadhu's heart neat and clean, that means free from all kinds of anartha nivritti. In that time his heart is as like crystal, yeah, neat. On the platform of Sandhini, that time Sambit and Radhini manifested in his heart. That time so much his greed is coming. How to attain the one drop of the mercy of Srimati Radhika or any Brajavasis, residents of Braj, Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Sridham, these types of mood. That time Sadhak, day and night, he chanting holy names, Nam Sankirtan. As Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu taught us how to chant holy names. Pinadati Punikeno, Taroriva Shrishna, Omanino Manodino, Kirtaniyo Sadhavari. Day and night chanting holy names and very humble. Pray to Lotus feet of Krishna. Because prema manifested one's heart, this is a symptom, always will become very humble. As like fruits coming in the trees, all the branches of the trees automatically what? Bend down. Phalavanta vrikshar gunvanta jan namrata svabhaktar ayomukam. In the same way, sadhak day and night pray to Lord, how we attain the divine love of Krishna. At that time, he chants Lord's sweet names, Madhurna. So for there, Rupa Goswami Pad also explains what is the process of the chanting of the holy names. He saying, Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukritananu Smrito Kramena Rasana Manosi Nijajjam Tishtan Vraje Tadanuragi Jananu Gamim Kalam Nayad Akhilam Itta Upadesa Saram. Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse in his nectar of instruction, Upadesamrita. And this is the 8th sloka of nectar of instruction, Upadesamrita. Tannam Rupacharitadi Sukritanam Smrito. That means that time sadhak, he chants Lord's sweet names, Madhurna. And also remembering Krishna's all the sweet amorous pastimes. Madhur Lila, Katha, Smarana. Kramena Rasana Manosi Nijajjo. And slowly his mind is attached with Krishna's beautiful Lila Katha. And Tishtan Braje Tadanu Ragi Jananu Gami. Tishtan Braje. Always thinking, I will stay in Braj. And if not possible to stay in Braj with physically, but sadhak have to stay in Braj in your mind. Monekori Brajivas. That means your mind have to stay in Braj. I will stay in Braj, in your mind, remembering always Krishna Katha. Braj Krishna Katha. So he is saying, Tishtan Braje, Tad Anuragi, and always associate with high class, exalted, Brajarasic sadhana. Tad Anugami, Jana-anugami, those who are the eternal associate of Krishna. Krishna is Nitya Parikar. and follow their footsteps. And those who are the devotees of Madhurya Ras, sweetness mood, they are always remembering Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami. And how did they perform bhajan and sadhana in Braj? Tanna Sankha Prabhukanam Gananativi Kalavasana Krito Nidra Ahara Vyaragadi Vijito Chatandino Chayo Radha Krishna Gunasmrite Mudhuriman Dena Sanmohito Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghujugo Srijiva Gopalako. And Srinivas Acharya, he composed Sargoswami Ashtakam. However, 6 Goswamis, they performed bhajan sadhana in Vrindavan. Sankha Prabhuka Naam Gananativi. Every day they chanted holy names in fixed round. Fixed round means at least 64 rounds. Sankha Prabhuka. Nama Gana Nativi. And always remembering Krishna's sweet names. Nam Gan. Gan means song. What is the song? Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande Manamanasa Madhukara Marpaya Nija Pada Pankaja Makarande Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande. And in this way, remembering Krishna's sweet Leela Katha. And then remembering about Srimati Radhika, praying to Srimati Radhika, lotus feet, Radha Kripa Kataksha. And Manindra Vinda Bandite Tilakaso Kaharini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaje Nikunja Bhuvilasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Brajendra Sonu Sangate Kadakari Sasyamam Kripakatacha Vajana Madan Madadi Jovani Pramodamanu Mandite Priyanuraga Ranjite Kalavilasa Pandite Ananna Dhanna Kunjaraja Kama Keli Kovide Kadakari Sasyamam Kripakatacha Vajanam Ananta Koti Vishnu Rupanam Prapadma Jarjite Himadri ja Pulo Maja Virincha ja Parapradi Aparasi Diri Didikta Satpadanguli Nake Kadakari Sasyamam Kripakataksha Bhajana. In this way, Radha Krishna's Leela Katha, remembering Jananugami, here Rupa Goswami Pad explained, Tat Anuragi or Jana Anugami. Jana Anugami means those who are the eternal associated of Krishna, Krishna Nitya. Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari, Krishna Leela. And Mahaprabhu Leela, Rupa Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. These are Rupanuga Acharya. You have to always follow the footsteps of our Rupanuga Acharya. Those who are following same mood of Rupa Goswami. Especially Raghunath Das Goswami, Jiva Goswami. They are Rupanuga Acharya, following the footsteps of Rupa Manjari or Rupa Goswami. And Avirapalli Patiputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balasavaro Sirupa Simrupa Chinta Monisayupta Samstu Matsanto Durdanto Hai Surastam. Very nice book. Avirapalli Patiputra Kanta Dasa Vilasita Balasavaro Sirupa Chinta Monisayupta Samstu Matsanto Durdanto Hai Surastam. Raghunath Das Goswami, Rupanuga Acharya, and following the footsteps of Rupa Manjari. In the Avirapalli Patiputra Kanta. Avirapalli means Gopapalli. That means Braj. Avirapalli Patiputra Kanta. Abhi's Purlis, Pati. Abhira Purli, Pati means with the controller of Braj, which is Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Maharaj is the king of Braj. What is called? Nandaraj. He is the king of Braj. Nandaraj. Abhirapalli Pati, his putra, his son, Krishna. That means Nandana. Abhirapalli Pati putra, Kanta. So Krishna's Kanta, beloved, Srimati Radhika. So then Abhirapalli Pati putra Kanta, Dasavilasita. That means my Abhilas. Abhilas means my desire. And how to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Dasavilasita. Balasakar. My mind is running towards how to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Balasavar. Sirupa Chinta Munisukti Samsto. So how to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika? The same mood of Rupa Manjari. So then Sirupa Manjari, Balasavara, Sirupa Chinta Muni Sakti Samsta. Mat Santo Durdanto Hai Surastam. My mind so much attached with Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. Always remembering how Rupa Manjari, she serves the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararchita Pada Padma Bushtandana Bhujar Vidamastakaya Ha Madhuta Kanaka Gauri Padarvindam Sanvayani Sanakestava Kim Karise. Raghunath Das Goswami composed this verse in his unprecedented book, Vilap Goswami. Lamented mood and praying one flowers of the slokas, lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. So in this way, here we are saying, Tishtan Braje Tadunu Ragi Jana Anugami Kalam Naya Dakhilam Itta Upadisa Sari. Raghunath Srila Rupa Goswami Pad also explained, this is my essence of all the nectar of instruction. Kalam Naya Dakhilam Itta Upadisa Sari. In this way, day and night, chanting holy names. And Krishna's Madhura name. Sweet names. Madhurya. Sri Krishna Gopalo Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Hasi Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallabhi Jivan Radhikesha Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Hasi Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Sri Vallabhi Jivan Radhikesha Oh Sri Krishna Gopala Hare Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Krishna's Madhur Rasbihari, Shamsundar, Madan Mohan, Vrindavan Chandra, Rasa Raseswari, Kunjeswari, sweet names. Krishna's name, Radharani's name. Actually, this is the process to chanting holy names. When you chant holy names, remember this name. When you remember Rasbihari, then Krishna, how did he perform Ras dance with the gopis? Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopigan. Man mera ban gaye risake pavan vrindavan. Radha nache, Krishna nache, nache gopigan. Man mera ban gaye risake pavan vrindavan. Ida nache, saka nache, nache saki gan. Man mera ban gaye risake pavan vrindavan. Ida nache, saka nache, nache you chant that sweet names, automatically that types of lila will manifest. This is simple. Ras Bihari, Raseswari. Raseswari means Srimati Radhika, she is the supreme controller of Ras, Krishna. Ras. Krishna is not the Ras. Raseswari. Krishna is not controller of Ras. Why? Krishna is called Ras Bihari. Ras Bihari means one who performs the Ras dance. He is called Ras Bihari. And Srimati Radhika, she is the supreme controller of the Ras. For this regard, her name is called Raseswari. Krishna is called Ras Bihari, or Srimati Radhika, she is called Raseswari. She controls. And without Srimati Radhika, Krishna can't perform Ras dance. Millions gopis are there, but Srimati Radhika is not there. So Ras is not going on. Ras stop also. Millions gopis, they also arrived in the Rasasthali. Rasasthali, the place where Rasasthali. But Srimati Radhika, she is yet not arrived. And Krishna is waiting for Srimati Radhika. Lalita, Visakha, all Srimati Chandravali, all Sukhijar. Sapakha, Vipaksha, Tarsapakha, Sweet Paksha, all gopis they arrived. But one Sakha is not arrived. Who? Srimati Radhika. Krishna. Then Krishna thinking what to do. Then Krishna again played the flute. Because Srimati Radhika, she is coming. Maybe her dress not properly stretched. Very difficult to travel with the ladies. All gents sit on the car, the ladies go, this, maybe I forgot this. In the same way, Srimati Radhika, she says, I am coming. Look, this thing, same is going on. And also, yes, Srimati Radhika, come. Yes, I am coming. How many times? Sometimes when you travel, and all your luggage inside your car, but still wife is saying, oh, I forgot this thing. Oh, maybe I forgot to lock my door also. And then again come down for the car. Or again also lock the door, and sometimes also are opposite way. Actually, she locked the door, but she thinking maybe I did not lock. Then again she opened. Then sit on the car. This is going on this. Sometimes happen or not? So in the same way, Srimati Radhika, she is preparing to go to meet with Krishna. This is true. But she is thinking, oh, maybe this is not good. So in the same way, here, Brajavasi, they are singing one song. They all Sakhis, they arrived in the Rasasthali. But Srimati Radhika yet not arrived. So Krishna and everybody also wait for Srimati Radhika. When Srimati Radhika, she arrived, then Krishna played the flute, then all start to dance. Ras means rasate asadyati rasa. Dancing, singing, and completely absorbed in the sweet bliss, anandamaya. Ras is not bad things. Ras is full of bliss, anand. Rasate asadyate iti ras. And same thing Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Krishna in Kali Yuga, he performed Nam Sankirtan Rasdance. Mahaprabhu's Rasdance is called Nam Sankirtan. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. Mahaprabhu to perform Nam Sankirtan Ras dance in the house of Srivas Thakur. Eh? And Gadadhar Pandit and Sarup Damodar and all their assembly and chanting holy name, Nam Sankirtan Ras. Eh? So now coming in this way, here also explain Krishna, these types of name you have to remember. Ras Bihari, Raseshwari, Srimati Radhika, another name is Kunjeshwari, sweet name. Kunjeshwari means your Srimati Radhika, she is the supreme controller of her Kunja. Without her permission, even Krishna can't enter in that Kunja. Eh? This is your house. Without your permission, I cannot enter your house. Eh? In the same way, Srimati Radhika's permission, without Srimati Radhika's permission, Krishna can't enter. Eh? When Srimati Radhika, she did man, she also stopped to Krishna. Jat kingrusu bhoso kholu kaaku bani nittam purusa parasa sikhanda mole jassa kadar sanide visavanu jaya tatkali kunje bhavanangana madhyunisam. Prabhudananda Saraswati Bhai. He composed this verse, Radha Rasudani. When Srimati Radhika did the man. And that time she closed the door of her kunja. And now Krishna has come. And outside, who are there? Sakhis are there. Lalita, Vishakha, outside. And sometimes Srimati Radhika, her man is very Durjoy man. An unbreakable man. Durjoy man. Even she also saying, I don't want to see any the face of my Sakhis. Get out. Look at this thing. And even Lalita, Vishakha, they also outside of the kunja. She say, oh, I want to take rest, calm and quiet. When she demand, then she closed her door of the kunja. Even Lalita, Vishakha is not inside. No Sakhis. See, Rupa Manjari, go also. One. Understand? Srimati Radhika sees all. So outside, Rupa Manjari Ratiman and Krishna has come. And Krishna told, hey Rupa Manjari Ratiman, I want to enter. Then they go, no. Now you cannot enter in our. They are very strict. Now Krishna was doing. Again and again go down his forehead, lotus feet of Sakhis. So saying, Jat Kinkursu Bhuso Kholu Kaku Vani. Jat Kinkursu Bhuso Kholu Kaku Vani. Nittam Purusa Parasa Sikhanda Mauli. Sikhanda Mauli means Krishna, who keeps the peak of feather on his turban. Who is saying Bhagavan? He is not ordinary person. He is not lusty person. He is Bhagavan, Supreme Personality of Godhead. And Srimad Bhagavatam gives evidence, Krishna's to Bhagavan Swayam. He is saying Bhagavan. Brahma, Shivas, and always paying their obeisances in his lotus feet. And now same Supreme Personality of God is saying Bhagavan, Krishna. For the Jat Kinkursu Bhosu Kholu Kaku Nittam Purusa Sikhanda Modi. Param Purush Bhagavan. Using this word, Jat Kinkursu Bhosu Kholu Kaku Vani Nittam Purusa Parasa Purusa Sikhanda Modi. Krishna. And now he is acting as like a lusty person. Kami Purush. Yatha Kaminna. How possible? With the Supreme Personality of God is saying Bhagavan. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, Indras, all Dikpals. Paying their obeisances lotus feet of Krishna. And now Krishna is as like a lusty person. Eh? He completely forgets his supremacy, Bhagavatta. Eh? Understand? Now he is paying his obeisances, lotus feet of Rupa Manjari Rati Manjari. Srimati Radhika inside. She locked the door. Outside, Lalita Visakha, then Rupa Manjari Rati Manjari. So it's like, Jat Kingu se Bhosa Khoru Kahaku Vani. Now Krishna bowed down his forehead, lotus feet of Rupa Manjari Rati Manjari. And hold his ears. Again, I will not commit these types of offense. Rubbed his nose on the, what is it called? Ground. Look at this. So Jat Kingu Bhosa Khoru Kahaku Vani. Very humble and say, hey, Rupa Manjari, please. And allow me to enter in the Kunja of Srimati Radhika. That time they are saying, hey Krishna, it is impossible. You can't enter because Srimati Radhika's now, her man is called Durjai Man. Durjai Man, understand? Unbreakable. She is very, very serious. So saying, Jatni Bosu Kalu Kapwani. Nityam Purusa Parasa Sikhanda Moli Jassa Kadar Sanide Visavanu Jaya Tatkili Kunji Bhavana Marjanisa. Prabhupada Saraswati saying in this verse very humble, if would I take birth in Vrindavan and just want the broomstick and but the Sakhis of Srimati Radhika, they are also brooming in Vrindavan. That broomstick, if I take birth in Vrindavan, one broomstick, then my life will be successful. Uddhav he prayed, if I take birth in Vrindavan, one, what is called? Grass. Asamu Charnanu Jisamu. Prabhupada Saraswati, what is saying? How to become one? Broomstick. So, Jat Kingu Bhosa Khoru Kahaku Vani. Nityam Purusa Parasa Sikhanda Moli Jassa Kadar Sanide Visavanu Jaya Tatkali Kunji Bhavanangana Marjanisam. So, when sadhak chanting holy names and remembering these sweet names, so Tanu Sukirtanam Masmaro Kamena Rasana Manosi Tishtan Braji. Always stay in Braj. Where Braj? Which place you will stay in Braj? Not, you should not stay all places of Braj. Maybe you can stay all places. One place should not stay. That is a forbidden. And those who are in the line, mood of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Which place? The place of Chandravali, Sakistha. Our Rasik Acharyas, how they glorify this. You can stay in Giriraj Govardhan, Radha Kunda, Sama Kunda, or you can stay, what is called? Vrindavan, Nidhuvan, Nikunjavan, you can stay there. Javad, Kukilavan, you can stay. Only one place, you should not stay. If you stay that place, the Srimati Radhikas will not accept. That is called Sakistha. So it's like Tishtan Braje Tad Anuragi Jananu Damegan. Anaradha Radha Padam Bhujarenu Anasritta Vrinda Atavi Tad Padankam Asambhasya Tad Bhava Gambhira Chittam Kutasamo Sindhu Rasa Savaga. And if you want to submerge in the ocean of the divine love of Srimati Radhika, so just to follow the three principles. तीन नियम के पालन करो. Three principles you have to follow. What you will do? One pointed with Srimati Radhika. That is called Radhaika Nishtha. One pointed with Srimati Radhika. What is that? Radha Meri Samini मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मोहि दियो, वृंदावन को बास। ब्रजवासी दर्शन। राधा मेरी स्वामिनी, श्रीमती राधिका, शी इज माई मिस्ट्रेस। राधा मेरी स्वामी, मैं राधिन को दास, आई एम द मेड सर्वेंट ऑफ श्रीमती राधिका। ये श्रीमती राधिका birth after birth, life after life, you give me take birth in Vrindavan, not in other place. राधा मेरी स्वामिनी, मैं राधिन को दास, जन्म जन्म मुझे वृंदावन को वास, वृंदावन वास है, राधा निष्ठ, वृंदावन वास, stay in Vrindavan, and 1.8 lotus feet is Srimati Radha. और थर्ड तद अनारब्ध राधा पदाम्बुजरिणु अनाश्रित बिंदावटि तत्पदं असंवत्स तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तान, always associated with high class exalted brajrasic sadhana guru and listen braj katha. Listen निवृत्त तरसई उपगीयमाना बहु सदा सूत्र मनोभिरामा कवोत्तम श्लोक गुणानुवादात् पुमान विरजित बिना पशु गुणात्. Srimad Bhagavatam gives it again. And this sloka, 10th canto, and first chapter. Very nicely. Who does not want to listen Krishna Katha? Only one person. He does not want to listen Krishna Katha. Who is he? Butcher. Those who are killing the animals. They are very cruel, hard-hearted. They don't want to listen Krishna Katha. Even the impartialist, impartial, they want to merge in Brahma. Even they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up the meditation of Brahma. Because Krishna Katha is very powerful, attractive. What is this sloka?
Anugrahaya Bhaktanam. Anugrahaya Bhaktanam.
No. Attract to everybody. Just ये कृष्ण कथा, even the impartialists, they listen Krishna Katha, they will give up. How Krishna Katha attract everybody?
अनुग्रहाय भक्तन
तत् भूल जाते हो. अच्छा चलो. Mahaprabhu told this katha to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Thou Krishna Katha to attract. So learn slokas, not learning. Okay. So, तिष्ठन् व्रजे तदानुरागी, तद अनुरागी and jananandana. Always follow the footsteps of Brajrasik sadhu and guru and listen Hari Katha. Smaranang Krishna smaranang janan janan chasya prishtham nija samihitam tatkat katha rataccha aso urjadvasam braje sada. Krishna smaranang janan chasya prishtham nija samihitam tatkat katha rataccha aso urjadvasam braje sada. Again, Rupa Goswami Pad composed this verse, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Krishna Smaranam. Always remember Krishna Rasamai Katha. Those who are, if your greed will come in your heart, Eh? Then always you are remembering to him. Greed is very important. Eh? Krishna bhakti rasabhavita mati kriyatang yadi kutopi labhati tatrapi lulamulam janmakati sukrina labhati. Ramananda told to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sukriti understand? Means spiritual pious activity. When your Sukriti will be matured and accumulated, then you will get the Sadhu Sangha. Sukriti's duty is what? To bring to Sadhu Sangha. But you associate sadhu or not, this is depend on you. Eh? You can bring the horse in front of the pond, but horse will drink water or not. This is depend on him. Eh? This is true. Eh? That means Sukriti's duty to have to meet with sadhu sangha. But you listen Hari Katha from sadhu or take his mood or not, this depends on you. So bhaktistu bhagavata sangana parijayate satsanga prapade pungvi sukriti purva sanchiti. When your sukriti matured and accumulated, then Bhagavan with his Yogamaya arrange how to get associated with sadhu sangha. When you associate with sadhu, listen Hari Katha, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in your world, otherwise not. You have come in Krishna consciousness in your previous Sukriti. You got holy names from Gurudev associated with. But how much you receive the mood of Guru, this is depend on you. So for this regard, next flow, Ravananda he quoted, the Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jidi Kutopi Labhati Tatrapi Lulamullam Janmakoti Sukrana Labhati. Even your Sukriti cannot get these things, this mood. Sadhu's mood, how will get? Sukriti? No. Does it depend on your greed? Mother, she prepares many kinds of preparation to you and put on the table. But if you have no appetite, you will eat or not. Maybe it is there something this, something that, finish. But if you have so much appetite, greed comes. Then we eat very quick. Then mother will be also very happy. She will be very happy or not? She think, oh, now my cooking is successful. And your mother, she prepared many kinds of preparation. Even if no one eating, she will be unhappy. Oh, I did many hours, I cooked, but no one. Just give this example. To eat depend on your this way. So this is the greed, Lobhamaya Bhakti. So for the Ramananda he quoted this Bhakti, Krishna Bhakti Rasabhavita Mati Kriyatang Jidi Kutopi Labhati Tatrapi Lula Mundan Janmakoti Labhati. In your Sukriti you cannot get this Braja Prem. How to get Braja Prem? When your greed will come. Understand this? Greed. Well, how greed will come in my heart? Two ways. First, depend on your past impression, Purva Janma Sanskar. Understand? First, Purva Janma Sanskar. Past life impression, the impressions of past life. Sanskar. Sanskar is very important. If you have no past impressions, greed will not come. So maybe your question will come, So how to make you say, I have no past impressions, sanskar. So how will I develop my bhajan and sadhana? Question will come. So this, in this way, explain, you have to collect what? Present impressions. That is called adhuniki sanskar. Two kinds of impressions come. One is called past impression, the Sanskrit word, that is called praktaniki sanskar. If you part the previous life did bhajan and sadhana, that impression is coming. That is called the past impression. That Sanskrit word, that is called praktaniki sanskar. A present impression, this life, if you associate with high class, exalted, Vrajrasik, sadhu and guru, listen Hari Katha, be attentively. Hari Katha listen, but open your eyes, open your ears, but not listening. Thinking another thing. This is true. Sometimes people are sitting, open eyes, open ears, but not listening. Why? Because mind is thinking others. But saying this, no. Adhuniki sanskar means that this life. This life, when you listen Hari Katha, and then that type of greed will come. Understand? This greed will come. I will attend. Like Rukmini, when she heard the glories of Krishna, then her greed coming. Yes, I have to meet with Krishna. Then that time she also wrote one letter to Krishna. Hey Krishna, the food of lion. Now I am going to Jacob. That means her brother arranged her marriage ceremony with Susipal. But she don't want to marry with Susipal. Her mind very disturbed. And that night, Brahman, Narad Rishi came. And Narad Rishi glorified about Krishna Katha. When Rukmini Devi, she heard the glories of Krishna. And that night, he also wrote one letter. And that letter sent to Krishna with one Brahmana. When Krishna read this letter, then Krishna came in Kundain Nagar and kidnapped Rukmini. That is Rukmini Haran Leela. Krishna Prem coming in three ways. One is called Darshan Jata Prem, taking direct seat with Darshan Jata Prem. One is called Sravan Jata Prem. Sravan Jata Prem means listening Krishna's Katha. Sravan means to listen. Then Prem manifested. And another third, that is called Sahajata Prem. The spontaneous, they have love and affection with Krishna. That they are Braj Gopis. That is called Janmagata Sanskar. And so Gopis, they are love and affection with Krishna from their birth. Actually, they are the eternal essence of Krishna. Krishna Nitya Parikala, Adini Sakti Sarupini, Srimati Radhika. And Srimati Radhika, she manifested all these Gopis. So they have spontaneous love and affection. So Krishna Prem manifested in three ways. Darshan Jata Prem, and that is called Kubja. Kubja, when she saw Krishna, that time Prem manifested in her. And Rukmini, when she heard the glories of Krishna, then Prem manifested. And Gopis, they are called Sahajata. So that means when you listen Hari Katha, very high class, that time your one greed will come. I want to serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Sirubanjari Kararchita Padapadam Gushtandana Bhajar Vidamastakaya Ha Madhata Panagaguri Padar Vindam Sanavayani Sanakaistava Kim Karise Bilap Kusmanjali Raghunath Das Goswami. Radha and Krishna, they perform sweet Rasa Leela, dancing scene. Now midnight, both they become very tired and now taking rest in that kunja. It's in that. Rupa Manjari, very softly and gently massaging the feet of Srimati Radhika. And Raghunath Das Goswami, very hankari, and asking to Rupa Manjari, Sri Rupa Manjari, Tam Rupa Manjari, hey Rupa Manjari, give me this seva. Sri Rupa Manjari Kararchita Pad Padmo, Goshtandana Bhujarpita Mastakaya, Ha Mudda Kanaguri Padarvina Sanven Stavakim Karise. Look this. So when you listen this katha, then you will also this type of greed will come. So when that day will come, I will serve Srimati Radhika under guidance of Rupa Manjari. So Raghunath, Narottam Das Thakur sang this song. Ki rupe paiva seva, Mui durachar, Shri Guru Vaishnave rati, Na hoilo yama. Kabe loka natha more, Sange laya, Suniyachi sadhu, Suniyachi sadhu mukhe. Suniyachi sadhu mukhe, Bole sarvajan, Sirupa kripaya mile, Jugala charan. I have heard from the lips of sadhus, all of them, content that by Rupa's mercy one can attain the lotus feet of divine couple. Suniyachi sadhu mukhe bale sarvajan, Sirupa kripaya mile jugala charan. Only the causeless mercy of Goswami, then we can attain the lotus feet of divine Guru Radha and Krishna. Radha Krishna pranamoro jugala ki sura jivane marane goti aranai mor. Narottam Das. Kabir, they are saying, Kabe loko Prabhu loko natha kabe Sange laya jabe Sirupera pad padme more samorpivi. When will my master, Sri Lokanath Das Goswami, take me with him and offer me at Sri Rupa Goswami's lotus feet? This one. That means when you listen these types of katha, then automatically greed will come. Greed. Look. So if you have no past impressions, then you have to collect what impression? Present impression. This is Bolo Vrindavan Vihari Lal ki.
Two reasons how greed will come in your heart.
First, listen.
And then second.
Second, when we receive the mercy of Guru and Krishna. Kripa Sabda. Without mercy, you cannot also greed. Greed. But you have to listen, then greed will come. Kripa means is what? Kripa. What is the meaning of Kripa? Nobody is saying, Gurudev, Kripa karo, Kripa bindu diya. Kripa means mercy, you are saying. Kripa, Sanskrit word. Kri means you have to practice bhajan and sadhana. Kri means practice. Karo. Pa means you will get. Then you will get mercy. Kot Premanande Namapati. So what time will you get? After breakfast?
She was about they want you to come back to this shop. Can you come?
There's one shop that you have
Yesterday
to come there for a while.
Jewelry shop.
Jewelry shop?
They are Muslims from Sri Lanka.
Ah.
But yesterday they said they asked Maharaj to come to their shop. Just across the road.
When?
I will have to tell them now that you Green
Yeah.
come then after breakfast.
After breakfast, then go, then go.
Yeah.
Otherwise too late.
Yeah.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay, okay. 9 o'clock, already 9 o'clock. Eh?
How do we know that whether we got past impression or present impression?
Huh?
Like how would we know that we got past impression or present?
If you have past impression, automatically your mind will be
Attracted.
yeah. Huh?
So it will come.
Yes. And when you listen, this heart will overjoy. You realize this thing. Huh? We've given some person playing mridanga, a small boy. Huh? How he is playing mridanga? In the previous life he played mridanga. That sanskar very easy to play. Or one person playing mridanga very difficult way. Look, that means in this way you can understand the simple way. You have what kinds of impressions you have or not. Have you tasted to chanting holy names or not? If you have not tasted, that thinking your past impressions not strong, maybe little bit not strong. If you have past impressions, sanskar, why mind going to bad things? Then past life you did, maybe present life past life. Or Vishwanath Chakrabarti Pad, Madhurya Kadamani explain this way. Adhuniki sanskar and practice. Even the material or spiritual, both depend on the sanskar. And one person is very intelligent, and one person is not. Everybody will not become doctor, everybody will not become lawyer. Why? Because they have not passed that types of sanskar. Not only spiritual, also material and also spiritual. Depend on the sanskar.
Bhakti is independent, it doesn't depend on anything.
Bhakti not depend on, but bhakti not depend on, but bhakti is got shelter. Bhakti Devi as like Kripa. Kripa need is what? Shelter. Not depend on these things. Bhakti can manifest anybody's heart. This is your ahituki Kripa. Ahituki. So you think, oh, I have nothing, so bhakti can go. But you have to practice, then bhakti Devi will give mercy. Bhakti not depend on your any qualifications. But you have to practice. Bhakta sanjati bhakta. Bhakti comes from the heart of bhakta. So Bhagavatam Sanatana Goswami explained bhakti is as like, give an example, as like disease. Very, what is it called?
Infectious.
Infection. Very quickly also these types of disease
Spread.
spread. In the same way, Bhakti Devi manifests one's heart if you associate with him, and very quickly also. Manifest in your heart. But in your heart full of anarthas, aparad, so that is not effect. Bhakti Devi is going, but not effect. This is Bhakti. If you associate with the pure devotee, Bhakti Devi going in your heart, but not affecting. Why? Because anarthas. When anartha removed, then very easy. Opposite way, come in this way, give an example. If you are very weak, then that type of disease very easy also have effect. Or one is very strong, that disease is not effect. Opposite way you can do it. And if you are not strong body, this type of this virus, what is called? Virus very easy to affect you. Or if your body is strong, not affect. But same virus is going to you also. This virus is going to you and him both. But you are weak, very easy to get. But same way, opposite way coming in this way, if your past impressions is there, Bhakti Devi very easy to affect you. And if your heart is not past impressions, Bhakti Devi is going. Yeah.
No effect.
But no effect. Many reasons. Maybe your heart full of anarthas, aparad, but the Bhakti will not affect it. So remove the anarthas. Huh? Are chanting holy names, listening Harikatha, many people, all the process of Bhakti. Only chanting holy names, Name Achi. No. Chant holy names, serve Guru, Vaishnava, listen to many things. Gaur Premanand.
Abhira means Mother Yashoda. What is Abhira?
Abhir means Gopapalli. Abhir means that is called those who are the what is called Gopa dynasty. You know, those who are taking care of the cows. Abhir. Many caste system in India. Abhir means those who are only taking their cows. They are not also no cultivating nothing. And not they are not growing the grains. They are only taking the cows. That is called Abhira. And many kinds of Gopajatis also. Abhir. Polli means what? Village. Abhir means one kind of caste. Gop caste. Cowherd caste. Cowherd caste. Good Premanand. Abhira Polli. Patiputra